Okay, we're going to talk about negative exponents. We talked briefly before a couple of videos back about it when I introduced integer exponents, but we're going to dig in a little deeper here and go through some of these problems. First things first, positive exponents. Whenever you see something raised to a positive exponent, that number is more than 1. On the flip side of that, if you see a negative exponent, the number is less than 1. So you're dealing with a smaller number. So let's take a look at number 1. You have 5 to the negative second power. So to do that, what we will do is we will take 5 to the negative second power. We will do 1 divided by, that's the definition of a negative exponent. It says, hey, just take 1 divided by the same base, but instead of writing a negative 2 in the exponent, I want you to write positive 2. And again, this is 1 over 5 times 5. And then again, 1 over 25 is your final answer. So this is what we're heading towards. That's what we're looking for. 1 over 5 squared, which is 25. But take a look here now at number 2. If you have the reciprocal raised to the same negative 2 exponent, what this means is we're going to do 1 divided by 1 over 5 to the second power. Over 5 to the second power. So what that is 1 over 5 to the second power is 1 over 25. But what is 1 over 25? The answer is 25. Okay. So let's keep going. Let's try the next one. 3 to the negative third power. Well, that's 1 over 3 to the positive third power. And 1 over 3 to the positive third power. 3 times 3 times 3. Well, that's 3 times 3 is 9. And then 9 times 3 is 27. So 1 over 27 is your final answer. On the flip side of that, if we have 1/3 to the negative third power, we have 1 divided by 1/3 squared, third power, which will then be 1 over 27, which will then be 27. So you should see a relationship here between numbers 1 and 2 versus 3 and 4. Number 1, when you have just a number 5 to the negative second power, that equals 1 divided by 5 to the positive power. But if you take that reciprocal 1/5 and raise it to the same negative 2, you get its reciprocal as the answer as well, which is 25. The reciprocal of 1 over 25 and the reciprocal of 25, they are inverse operations of one another. So what we're doing here is if you take any value of x and raise it to the negative second power, that simply means take 1 divided by this base x and raise it to the positive exponent. To the positive exponent. And then number 6, simply take the base here and raise it to the positive second power. So we're going to continue on. We're going to continue on and try some more examples.